Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher of Mathematics in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2022 paper 1, and this is last question of this paper, matrix match type. Here we are given an ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 is equal to 1, and h is a point alpha comma 0 where alpha is between 0 to 2, and a straight line drawn through h parallel to y axis crosses the ellipse and its auxiliary circle at E and F respectively. In the first quadrant, the tangent to the ellipse at E point intersect the positive x-axis at a point G. Suppose the straight line joining F and origin makes an angle phi with positive x-axis, and then we have to find certain things. Now let us first make one diagram. Okay, so you can check, this is the ellipse, that red one is the ellipse and this blue one it's auxiliary circle. Now we are given this point H whose coordinate is alpha comma 0. Alpha is between 0 to 2. A line is drawn parallel to y-axis. So this way we have drawn, and these points are, this point is I think E and this point is F. So this line parallel to y-axis crosses ellipse at E, auxiliary circle at F. Now tangent to the ellipse at E point intersect the positive x-axis at G. That point is G here. And suppose that straight line joining F to the origin, this makes an angle phi with positive x-axis. So dear all, if this angle is phi, we can write the coordinate of F in parametric form as 2 cos phi comma 2 sin phi. Okay, and then this E point will also have, let me write for E separately here, will have same x coordinate because this FEH is a line that is parallel to y-axis. But because E lies on this ellipse, its y coordinate will be √3 sin phi. In fact, that is the significance of this parametric angle for any ellipse. Okay, now at E point we just have to draw the tangent. The equation of tangent at E, it is just t equal to 0, which will be x into cos phi upon 2 plus y into sin phi upon √3, and this is equal to 0. Now at G, at this point G, I can take y is equal to 0, so that x coordinate will be 2 upon cos phi. Okay, now this H point will also have same x coordinate as that of E and F. Y coordinate 0, and G will have x coordinate 2 upon cos phi, y coordinate 0. Now, my options in list 1 are, if phi is pi by 4, then area of the triangle FGH. They are talking about area of the triangle FGH, not EGH, FGH, like this. Okay, and in all the options, area of the triangle FGH is asked. So if I write area of this triangle FGH, I think we can use half base into height. Base can be HG, that is parallel to x-axis, and height will be HF, which is parallel to y-axis. So you can check, it becomes equal to half into HG will be 2 upon cos phi minus 2 cos phi into HF, that is the y coordinate of F point, that will be 2 sin phi. So this 2 will be cancelled here, and it will be 1 minus cos square phi upon cos phi into 2 sin phi. So I think this becomes equal to 2 sin cube phi, 2 sin cube phi, let me write this here, upon cos phi. So that is the area we are getting. Okay, now we will find the values for various phi and see which options are correct. Okay, so let me first copy that area that we have got was 2 sin cube phi upon cos phi. Let me check once again. Yes. Now, when phi will be equal to pi by 4, A option, sine and cos become same. So I think that will be just 2 into 1 by root 2 square, because 1 of sine phi, cos phi can be cancelled. So it will be 1 if phi is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so for 1, my answer has to be Q. So let me check. I think we have eliminated two of the options, A and B. So we are left with C or D. And if I am able to find answer for second one, I think we are done. So when phi will be pi by 3, 60 degree. So it will be equal to 2 into root 3 by 2 ka cube, whole cube, upon 1 by 2, and that after simplification will be this 4, this will be 3 root 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator I think it will be just 2. So 3 root 3 by 2 is t. So answer for this is coming out to be t. So I think we have identified the answer. First is q, second is t, so c is the answer. This is when phi is pi by 3. Okay, now similar to this, we can find when phi will be pi by 6, and we can verify our answer. It will be 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube upon cos phi, which will be root 3 by 2 this time. So you can check, it will become 1 upon 2 root 3. Yeah, 1 upon 2 root 3, it is when phi is equal to pi by 6. So let us check if there is some such answer or not. Yes, S, and yes, in third one it is coming out to be S only. Now when phi becomes pi by 12, which is 15 degree. Okay, so you must remember the values of sine cube, which is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 for 15 degree. Okay, and whole divided by cos 15, which is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, so here it will become root 3 minus 1 power 4. I will rationalize this root 3 plus 1 by multiplying by root 3 minus 1. So it will become 2 here. One of this 2 root 2 will cancel. I think we will get 8 from because of this, and this 2 is coming out because of this. So we will be getting this thing root 3 minus 1 whole power 4 upon 8. So for this fourth answer will be P. So yes, fourth they have given P only. So I think this was one of the easiest question of this paper. Direct use of result T equal to 0, nothing more than that. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions.